Hey beauties, so yeah, change of location. I am home now from school. I've been going for so long. I know it's been forever. I graduated, end of discussion. And I'm back home now, so I will be recording from my home. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how the steps that I take to wash my hair. I am a lazy natural, so I do like to make sure that my wash day is fast and to the point. So let me show you guys what products we're going to be working with today. I do shampoo my hair. I know a lot of curly girls do the curly girl method where they don't incorporate shampoo, but I do shampoo my hair because my hair just does better on clean hair. Yeah, so to shampoo my hair, I'm going to be using the Creamy Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. I like the shampoo because it doesn't leave my hair too dry. It's just like a shampoo. Whatever. Okay, after I shampoo my hair, I like to detangle my hair with a conditioner. I'm going to be using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner, not the deep conditioner, just a regular conditioner to detangle my hair and section off the sections. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite deep conditioner of all time. This is just the best conditioner for my hair. It's a hair mask from Sheamoisture, their Manuka Honey and Mafora Oil, the Intense Hydration Conditioner. This deep conditioner is my babe, my life. My hair just loves this stuff. It smells so good. The smell is just so good, and everybody always compliments me and say, your hair smells good, and it's because of this. I love this stuff, so if you haven't tried it yet, try it out and let me know in the comments down below how it works for your hair right now. So let's get into the video. Now, I'm going to go in, I shampooed my hair, put it up. I'm going to go in with the conditioner and detangle my hair while splitting it into 4 sections, and yeah. Okay, so now that I've detangled my hair and twisted it, I rinsed the conditioner out. Now it's time to go in with the deep conditioner. My baby. It's when I do this, I'm doing another set of detangling, but it's so much easier because I've already detangled it before. Okay, now that I have conditioned my hair, put my deep conditioner in, I'm going to take a plastic bag or a shower cap, whichever you prefer, put it over your head, and then put a bonnet over it and let it sit in for 30 minutes max. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just went ahead and took a shower. So usually if I wasn't recording this, I definitely do this whole process in the shower and it'll cut this time in half, but for video purposes I did it outside the shower. So now that I'm done my shower, I'm going to take my bonnet off, take my little plastic cap off, and I am now going to rinse out my deep conditioner. Woo! So that's just about it, guys. My hair is fresh and clean, and depending on how you plan to style your hair, I go in and do my LCO method, or I just add the deep conditioner and style whichever I please. But right now I'm about to do another video that you guys can see after this. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video.